Well, hello, my whimsical family. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norlene with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come on, family and friends, join me in the kitchen where I will be preparing for you Jamaican cassava dumpling just for you. All right, family and friends, let's get cooking. So I peel my cassava in a circular motion, and that's the easiest way to peel it, guys. I then wash it and cut it lengthwise in two. I then remove that string-like membrane in the center, and then, guys, I cut it in chunks. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining my channel. To my already loyal subscribers, thank you wholeheartedly for joining me week after week. Remember to hit that like button, leave your comment in the comment section, and share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Remember to save my videos to your favorite playlist, and of course hit that notification bell so you'll get weekly notification from my channels. Thank you so much. All right, family and friends, let's get back in the kitchen. So I put my chopped cassava in my Ninja Bullet, and I will blend this with just a little bit of water until it is smooth. Now, guys, as you can see, this promises to be an exciting meal. So after done blending, I place this in a large bowl. I will use about 350 grams of the total 500 grams of blended cassava. Now, guys, I will let you see what this looks like, and it's all smooth and ready to be kneaded into a dough. So, guys, I will put 2 cups of flour in total, and I will simply put it in 2 separate portions. I will use my spoon to fold in the first portion of the flour and then use my hand to knead. While I'm doing that, I will share with you the food for thought. The food for thought comes to us today from Isaiah 6 verse 3, and it says, "And one cried to another and said, Holy, holy, holy is the Lord of hosts. The whole earth is full of his glory." Now, I want you to know that we are all God's wonderful creation. And if the birds of the air can cry out unto the Lord with their beautiful singing, indeed, God has given us a voice. So let us open up our mouths and give glory and praise unto him. All right, our dough is all mixed and it is nice and ready. I allow it to sit for about a minute and a half or until when my water is boiled. Now, guys, I will move straight into making the dumplings. I don't know if you are excited about dumplings as I do, but as little children growing up, trust me, if dumpling is not in the dinner can't be nice. Now, guys, look at this. This is indeed awesome. I'm simply using my spoon to stir so that my dumplings do not stick to the bottom of my pot and give it room to cook. Now, guys, I've added some bananas to this, some green bananas and a sweet potato, and guys, I cut off a lemon and I will cook to cover. Now, guys, I throw a little something on the side, so I do a little bit of ackee and saltfish to go along with this. So in the pot, I've heated about a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I've added some frozen vegetables. Yes. No, guys, I had this in the refrigerator, so they're all frozen. So I put my vegetables, my ackee, and of course the codfish together. Add some seasoning to it, add some spice to it, some bell pepper, some tomatoes, guys, some garlic. I've added also some powdered seasoning. I'm just gonna cover this, allow it to come back to a fry, because you don't know when you add frozen things to oil, it gets to a slow cook. So, guys, let me go check back on the dumplings. Now, guys, this is almost done. It's about 15 minutes since it has been cooking. So again, I just stir to make sure my dumplings do not stick to the bottom of the pot. Now, it looks good. This here done ready now, guys. It's about 10 minutes since it has been frying, so it has returned to a fry. I'm gonna add to that some black pepper, some McCormick steak seasoning, again on a normal signature seasoning, guys. I've added some garlic powder, of course some grounded pimento or allspice. I'm going to add up to that some more tomatoes, some red bell pepper, some green bell peppers, some more fresh onions, a lot of green onion or what you call spring onions. I will add to that some scotch bonnet pepper, about half of the flesh of a scotch bonnet pepper. And now guys, me are moving on the dumpling. Me gonna see what I want. My dumplings are all ready. I'll turn off my stove and prepare to share my food with you. Now guys, if you are a celebrant, I see you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy birthday to you, or happy whatever celebration you are celebrating this week. Know that Win sees, appreciate, and celebrate you. So this goodness done, people. I have on my plate 2 dumplings and 2 cooked green bananas. I'm gonna add to that some whole heap of ackee and saltfish. I am just enjoying this moment. So once again, it's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. That is just smooth. Guys, I'm having a moment just now. I haven't had cassava dumplings so long. Thank you so much for staying with me this week in the kitchen, where I did for you cooking Jamaican style. I'll see you next week, where I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. See you guys next week. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you with all my heart.